Hello and welcome to another epic chess battle. Like and subscribe for more. Pawn to e4 is the best move.
This is a book move. The opening is called Sicilian Defense.
This is a book move. The opening is called Sicilian Defense.
Pawn to d6.
This is a book move. The opening is called Sicilian Defense.
This is a book move. The opening is called Sicilian Defense.
Knight catches on d4 is best. This captures a free pawn.
This is a book move. The opening is called Sicilian Defense, modern variations, main line.
Knight to c3 is best. This defends a pawn on f4. This develops a knight.
Pawn to a6.
This is a book move. The opening is called Sicilian Defense, Najdorf Variation.
Pawn to e6 is the best move.
Pawn to f4 is best. This defends a bishop on g5.
Queen to b6 is best. This attacks the pawn.
Queen to d2 is good. Knight to b3 is best.
Queen captures on b2 is best. This attacks the rook. This captures a free pawn.
Rook to b1 is best. This attacks the queen. This develops a rook.
Queen to a3.
Pawn to f5 is best. This offers a trade.
Knight to c6 is excellent. This offers a trade. This develops a knight. Bishop to e7 is best. This develops a bishop.
Pawn catches on e6 is the best move.
Pawn captures on e6.
Knight captures on c6.
Pawn captures on c6 is the best move.
Bishop to d3 is the best move.
Pawn captures on e5 is best.
Bishop captures on f6 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn captures on f6 is best. This defends a pawn on f5.
Knight to e4 is the best move.
Bishop to e7 is inaccuracy. An opportunity to take a pawn was lost. A chance to attack a rook with qz woe was missed. The opponent can play but woe. Queen captures on a2 is best. This attacks the rook. This captures a free pawn.
Bishop to e2 is best. This develops a bishop.
Pawn to h5 is the best move.
Rook to f1 is good. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Pawn to c4 is best.
Pawn to f5.
Rook to f3 is good. This attacks the queen. Rook to b3 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queen captures on a2 is best. This attacks the rook. This move gains a tempo. This captures a free pawn.
Rook from file f to b3.
Pawn captures on e4 is the best move.
Queen to c3 is best. This creates a fork-on pawn and pawn.
Bishop to d8.
Queen captures on c6 check is best. This creates a fork-on pawn, rook and king. This captures a free pawn.
Bishop to d7.
Queen captures on e4 is the best move.
King to e7 is best.
Rook to d1 is good. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Queen to h4 check is best. This defends a pawn on h2.
Queen to a4 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the queen.
Rook captures on d7 check is the best move.
Queen captures on d7.
Queen captures on e5 is best. This defends a pawn on h2. This attacks the rook. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. This move gains tempo. This captures a free pawn.
Rook to h7 is best. This develops the rook.
Rook to d3 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queen to b7 is the best move.
Bishop catches on h5.
Queen to b1 check. The game is over. It ended in a draw.